Okay guys, so I'm walking here in this weather with this um terrific weather condition, and let me tell you one thing, a final thing, that our channel has completed 5.5k videos, and that was my second milestone which is achieved now, and we have completed 1.5k videos. Okay, that's insane, bro. That insane. So, thank you for your love and support for making that 100 subscriber happen. 100 subscribers happen, and this is my 100 family, 100 subscribers family, and I'm very glad to call you our family because I don't know that from which words, from which statements, from which emoji I thank you. I don't know. I have no words to thank you, and that's pretty pretty well deserved thing from me. And really thanks, guys. Really thanks. I will appreciate your efforts always, forever. So, bye bye.